Live and in living color. Indeed and intrigued, man. Thank God, thank the Creator, whoever you like to, or whatever you like to call them. I mean, from the smallest things, the leaf work, the greenery, small little babies growing, that, up to the beautiful sky. All good. I hope today is promising, positive, and poignant to getting shit accomplished and, you know what I mean, doing the best you can with the little you got. I'm even supposed to be grateful for these damn bees out here still bumbling. I'm here this morning and shit out here that need to be pollinated, but yet and still. Move over a little bit, maybe that might help. Shouts out to the nation. Shouts out to those that do what they do what we do. Keep the fight for medical marijuana. And to speak on one thing, I'm not really for taxing it the way it's being taxed, unless I know it's directly going to, you know, needy situations, the children, the elderly, the sick, you know what I mean, the mentally. The mentally impaired.